Hello ladies and gentlemen, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add admin on your Facebook page. It's so simple and easy. So first up, let's open up Facebook. We're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top right corner. Here we're going to switch to our Facebook page. Well, let's see which Facebook page we want to change, which will be this one. After that, we're going to click again on the hamburger menu. We're going to scroll down until we see professional dashboard. We're going to click on it. So here we have a lot of options. We're gonna scroll down until we see the option called page access. We're gonna click on it and we're gonna add an admin over here. Add new. Next. Let's say we're gonna click someone and here we have the options they will have. This is the admin's options they can do. So this is how you can add an admin to your Facebook page. It is that easy. You only have to go here and press give access. We can also give full control if you want. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. See you.